Am I audible? Can I start now?
Yes, you are audible. Please start.
Greetings to one and all present here today. I am Saravanan from Ashok Leyland, Ozur Plant 2, Tamil Nadu. Our plant produces wide and diverse range of trucks ranging from 1.5 ton to 55 ton. It's one of the Ashok Leyland most versatile plants and winner of Deming Award for Excellence. In automotive industry, painting process is a primary source of hazardous waste generation. Mainly two types of hazardous waste are generated. One is sludge and another one is volatile organic compound. One of our project on phosphate sludge generation reduction has won the Quality Sustainability Award at international level in 2020. We are the only Indian company won this award. With this current project, we are aiming to reduce volatile organic compounds. Ashok Leyland vehicle manufacturing process flow is shown here. Cabins from 5 different weld line comes to paint shop where the primer coating takes place through electro deposition. Then the cabins are being sent to top coat painting where we have 2 lines. Top coat line 1 is completely manual painting where interior and exterior portions are being painted manually. The top coat line 2, interior portion is being painted manually and the exterior portions are robotic. During the paint process, VOC is generated as a byproduct. Paint, solvents and additives used in paint shop contains VOC. This VOC reacts with the sunlight and form a ground level ozone and smog which affects the human respiratory system, damages vegetation and decreases crop yield. VOC has potential threat to human health and environment. We observed from our historical data that our paint shop is emitting 51 gram of volatile organic compound for painting of 1 square meter surface area. There is no mandatory legislation for VOC emission in India so far. However, it is mandated in developed countries. European Union has set a target for VOC at 45 gram per square meter for passenger car production industries. Though we are a commercial vehicle manufacturer with bigger cabins, we took up an ambitious target to reduce VOC level proactively in line with the European norms. As per the Pareto chart, 82% of VOC generation contributed by top coat paint and thinner. During a paint application process, solvents are getting evaporated as VOC and paint sludge is also getting generated as a byproduct. In manual top coat line, the paint consumption per cabin is about 2.6 liter per cabin and the wastage is about 1.6 liter. In robo top coat line 2, in the robo line, the paint consumption is about 1.5 liter and the wastage is about 0.5 liter per cabin. This wastage of paint doesn't add any value to the customer. In fact, it is damaging the environment, adding additional cost and depleting the natural resources. Only a part of the resources are actually being converted into direct customer value. This means that there is a great potential for sustainable development in painting operations. The amount of VOC generation, paint sludge generation and paint consumption depends on the paint transfer efficiency, which is nothing but the amount of paint is being sprayed or amount of paint is being deposited on the cabin surface versus the amount of paint being sprayed to the surface. The benchmark transfer efficiency is 80%, against which manual top coat line is having transfer efficiency 39%. That means 61% of paint is getting wasted. Similarly, our robot line is having transfer efficiency 69%. With this study, we concluded that improving the paint transfer efficiency by adopting sustainable solution is the only way to create customer value for cabin painting in an efficient and effective method. We have gathered information from various sources and explored 4 options for improving the transfer efficiency. The first option was to change from liquid spray painting to a dip coating or powder coating, where the transfer efficiency could be over 90%. But operationally, this was not a feasible one. Second option was to convert from manual painting to robotic painting, which require approximately 2 years of lead time for project completion. So this was also not feasible. Since the transfer efficiency of manual paint line cannot be improved significantly, without affecting the operations, we decided to transfer its capacity to RoboLine in third option. Existing RoboLine capacity is about 66K. The manual line is about 41K. We decided to transfer the capacity to one line. So one of the key improvement, in order to produce the total volume in one top coat line, various improvements were undertaken. One of the key improvement was to reduce cycle time from 5 minutes to 3 minutes. This was a major challenge because no other truck manufacturer in India is operating 3-minute cycle time in stop and go conveyor arrangement with 2 robots. We have consulted paint supplier and robot supplier to find a solution for this. For reducing cycle time, we need to increase the speed of the robot, but this may reduce the paint coating thickness formation. So team has decided to conduct design of experiment to optimize the process parameter in order to achieve the desired coating thickness. So based on our technical knowledge and feedback from paint and equipment supplier, 3 input factors needs to be optimized in order to achieve the required cycle time without affecting coating thickness. These input factors are paint flow rate, shaping air pressure, and robot speed, and the output or responses are paint dry film thickness and cycle time. We have used a full factorial design of experiment, and 16 runs have been conducted in our paint line. From ANOVA table, it is evident that paint flow rate, robot speed, and their interactions are significant. Using response optimizer, best setting parameters are obtained and the same has been implemented in the line. After revision of process parameter, as per DOE output, we were not only successful in achieving the 3-minute cycle time, but also improved quality of the cabin, which is measured through a dry film thickness, and the process capability has improved from 1.62 to 1.72. Having achieved the capacity requirement on robot top coat line, manual paint line is completely closed now. Additionally, the exterior robot was programmed to take interior painting for smaller cabins or LCV vehicles. This action also resulted in further improvement of transfer efficiency and reduced overall paint consumption. With all these improvements, VOC reduced from 51 gram per square meter to 43 gram per square meter, and we could able to meet our ambitious target of 45 gram per square meter, which is European Union benchmark for passenger cars. By integrating the knowledge and methodology used in a successful quality work into the sustainability efforts, multiple benefits were achieved. Paint and solvent consumption is reduced by 30 tons per annum. Paint sludge generation reduced by 10 tons, and diesel consumption is reduced by 225 tons. Energy consumption is reduced by 6 lakh units per annum. With all these benefits, cost saving of 2.5 crore is achieved. Under non-tangible benefit, CO2 emissions are reduced by 600 tons and the VOC emissions reduced by 29 tons per annum. This project has direct impact on United Nations SDG goal number 9 and 12 as indicated here. This project is a good example of customer value creation with less resources. These improvements can be replicated in all auto OEMs globally and other industries such as consumer durables, home appliances, railway coach manufacturers, and mobile manufacturing companies. This project also directed us to create industry benchmark practices like achieving the lowest cycle time in top coat line with 2 robots, lowest oven baking time in India, probably in the world, and initiated cabin interior painting by using exterior robot, which is first time in industry practice. As we all know, paint booths are hazardous. Employees who spend their time in paint booths are exposing themselves to toxic fumes and explosive chemical. By minimizing the manual painting operation, employees' health is improved. On top of it, this project is proved that undertaking sustainability project reduces cost and profitability. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Over to jury